What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Just a quick evening video update. A lot of times I get asked what are we doing in the room and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you, like for today's example, what we took today, what we signaled out to the room via the tech signal. So show you a trade we took on the SPX futures ES, but we did it through binary options, also Forex through binary options, and then a recent Bitcoin trade. So let's go take a look at the charts.
Trade Genius.
All right, so the recent Bitcoin trade we were in, we bought a pullback to around the 6,800, and we wrote it up. The overall models, as I've shared with you guys, are pricing us continuing to grind up, but we were in this ascending wedge, which is a bearish setup, and a lot of times you'll fall out of those and find support lower. So we trailed the stop up and stopped out of that at 6,300. So that was good for about over 6% on Bitcoin. I can show you too what we did today on the US 500 binary options. Okay, so that tracks the S&P 500. Let's take a look at that. So a couple things on this, folks. We have our Trade Genius Magic Channel, and that basically gives us relative overbought, oversold. You can apply this on anything. We like it on trading the ES. You can also use this for futures. When we fell out, we had a signal on our 15-minute chart using our DTMM signal. And then we also had this signal down here on our 5-minute around the same time. And this is actually what triggered the signal to go long, was when we got that arrow there. And then we rode that up, and that was as far as that binary contract, that was entering at $65 and taking profit at around 86 to 88, depending on where you got filled. But that's 30+% per lot there on that. So that's an example of how we trade the US 500 or the SPX futures using binary options. The other thing I want to show you guys is how we do the Forex. All right, so on the binary options on Forex, basically what you do is you're going to purchase or enter a contract, buying or selling, depending if you think the trading pair is going up or down, and you are buying strikes. And the strikes are about on a 7 p.m. expiration, for example, which is what we took today. You're going to have 20 pips of separation between strikes. So that you can buy a strike at 2,900, like here. And I can give you a horizontal line to kind of make this a little clearer. So 2,900 was a strike, and 2,920 was a strike. Okay, so after we had our big moves, what happens is our probability engines then kick in and tell us that based on this close, we'll have a high percentage rate of success if we sell this strike up here at 2,920. So we did that, and then when we moved into the subsequent hours, it also said if you buy this strike at 2,900, you're going to have a high rate of success. Each of those trades were 15% in profit as well. So 3 binary winners just closed out a crypto winner. That's what we do at Trade Genius. So I invite you guys to check us out. Special number 1 right here. You can go to tradelikeagenius.com or tradegenius.co. $3.99, that's for the year. I'll even throw in the day trading money machine indicator, which we've now ported over to TradingView, and you can apply that to cryptos, and we'll be showing you guys how to use that on cryptos here real soon. So anyway, quick video showing you guys what we do every day here at Trade Genius. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on tomorrow morning's video update. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.